Difference between DNA and RNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid, are two types of nucleic acids found in living organisms, and they play essential roles in storing and transferring genetic information. Although they share similarities, they also have several key differences. Sugar molecule. 1. DNA. DNA contains deoxyribose, a 5-carbon sugar with one fewer oxygen atom compared to ribose, found in RNA. 1. The absence of the 2'O group in deoxyribose makes DNA more stable than RNA. 2. RNA. RNA contains ribose, a 5-carbon sugar with a hydroxyl O group attached to the 2' carbon of the sugar ring. Nucleotide bases. 1. DNA. DNA is composed of 4 nucleotide bases: adenine, A, cytosine, C, guanine, G, and thymer, T. 2. RNA. RNA also contains adenine, A, cytosine, C, and guanine, G, but instead of thymer, it has uracil, U. Double-stranded versus single-stranded. 1. DNA. DNA typically exists as a double-stranded helix, where two complementary strands are held together by hydrogen bonds between their base pairs. 2. RNA. RNA is usually single-stranded, although it can fold back on itself and form secondary structures due to complementary base pairing. Function. 1. DNA. DNA's primary function is to store and transmit genetic information from one generation to the next. 1. It carries the instructions necessary for the development, growth, functioning, and reproduction of all living organisms. 2. RNA. RNA plays multiple roles in the cell. 2. Different types of RNA are involved in gene expression, including messenger RNA, mRNA, transfer RNA, tRNA, and ribosomal RNA, rRNA. 2. mRNA carries the genetic information from DNA to the ribosomes for protein synthesis. 2. tRNA helps in translating the mRNA code into specific amino acids during protein synthesis. 2. rRNA is a component of ribosomes, where proteins are synthesized. Stability and lifespan. 1. DNA. Due to the lack of the 2'O group in its sugar, DNA is more stable and less prone to chemical degradation. 1. It has a relatively long lifespan and can persist for generations. 2. RNA. RNA is more prone to degradation due to the presence of the 2'O group, which makes it more susceptible to hydrolysis. 2. Some types of RNA have short lifespans, while others, like rRNA, can be more stable. Overall, DNA and RNA are both essential for the functioning of living organisms and are integral components of the central dogma of molecular biology, which describes the flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA to protein.